Okay, Declutter in Minutes formula. Pick one room for the month that you're going to work on. Break that room down into 4 areas. Then for each area, give yourself 5 to 7 tasks, projects, chores, whatever you want to call them, that you can work on for the week ahead. So if you only have 5 days to declutter, you're going to pick 5 tasks. If you have a full 7, you're going to pick a full 7. The thing you need to remember is each task needs to only span 10 to 20 minutes. 30 if you're super motivated and you're disciplined enough to get that much done in one sitting. But if not, start with 10 minutes and then work your way up if needed. The reason for that small pocket of time is to allow you to fit that task into your daily schedule without freaking out. You see where I'm going with this? Pick a project, break it down, step it out, and map it out. That's the Declutter in Minutes formula.